Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Have a couple of things that Born Pretty sent over to me. They wanted to send me this product right here, and I was kind of excited about it because it's a product that Nana uses a ton from a different company. And I thought, you know what, let's do a comparison, right? I'll have Nana use it. I'll have her give me her thoughts compared to the other product. So we'll get to this one later. Okay, I'll go ahead and tell you what it is. It is a gel polish remover. First of all, hello, new packaging. What is up with you, Born Pretty? This is a gel polish remover. I know y'all have seen these. I have actually done a video, maybe multiple videos on my channel from the using the Madam Glam version, which is right here. We'll get into that a little bit more, but Born Pretty has their own magic gel remover. Full size, a 15 ml bottle. Beautiful, same brand new packaging that they have here, that they have been, have going on. Hello, do I even know grammar? What's going on? The same bottle packaging that they've had recently within the last year that they have released. This is, again, Magic Gel Remover. We will get to this a little bit later on, but I love all things hollow. I love them. I love them. But what is in here is a 6-piece collection. You guys, this is a Milky Jelly Cat Magnetic Gel 6-piece collection. Okay, Milky and Jelly are two of my all-time favorite things. I'm actually really excited about this. Oh, these are the smaller 7 ml bottles. And as always, every Born Pretty polish collection that you get, you will receive instructions, a little pamphlet. So you'll have all of your info right here, all the info that you will need. All right, so I started taking these out, and under the instructions, there was a magnet. There was a magnet. I was actually kind of excited because I do have new magnets that I just recently received. I don't even remember where the heck I bought these. Shein? I don't know. I can't remember where I even bought these, but I got them about a month ago, and I haven't even used them yet. I didn't know. I did not know I was getting a little magnet with this collection, but it does make sense. All right, I've gotten all of these out. The colors look beautiful, or at least on the sticker. This is giving a very spring palette for you guys. Let me get my little pop sticks ready, and I will go through a quick little swatch and see how absolutely beautiful these polishes are. All right, so I apologize to the Born Pretties for taking so long. A lot of shit's happened in the past 8 weeks, y'all. Spawn moved out. He moved downstate, took my grandson, my grandcat, Brad the cat, with him. We're very sort of sad about that as well. Nana had surgery, okay. She's fine, she's fine. Hopefully we'll be able to get together soon and give y'all a Nana's Nubs, an updated Nana's Nubs video. Also, G Money came to visit. So we had a lot of things to do to prep for G Money, but I think maybe like 3 days before G Money arrived, before she showed up, our house was inundated with the COVIDs. I think Mr. Braves Diva brought home the COVIDs. Poor Nana, got the worst of it. So not only was she in a sling because of her freaking surgery, but she also had the COVIDs. She's still hacking, actually both Mr. Braves Diva and Nana, hacking away. Hopefully we're on the mend soon, and I will be able to sit down with Nana. We can do a freaking video. We did have a good time with G Money, but yeah, so that's that. I apologize, Born Pretties. Stick around. Y'all gonna see some things happening in this video. Here they all are, all swatched out. This is actually a really beautiful spring palette. Gorgeous. Look at this velvety, magnetic. Oh, absolutely beautiful. And I did stop at one coat. I did not think that, again, these are on just clear pop sticks, but I didn't feel like any of them needed a second coat Of course you could. You could do a second coat. You know, oh, don't forget, I do have a 10% off discount code. I'll put it up here. BLL10, save you some 10% at the Old Born Pretties. Oh, look at this. This green. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I think the green, and to be honest, I think this gray one, number one, I think these are my two picks of this entire collection. I didn't really know how I was going to feel about this gray one, but it's just beautiful. I love it. Very neutral. Think about, also be forward thinking. Think about your winter and your Christmas designs. Honey, this gray would be stunning, but green always has my whole heart. I freaking love this green. The gray and the green. Those two are going to be my picks. All right, so this is where shit starts to go sideways, y'all. I have two pop sticks here with just a red gel polish painted on in the background. These are the two products I'm going to sort of compare. I'm going to start a comparison. If you want to pause and look at the ingredients of each, you know, Madam Glam versus Born Pretty's gel polish remover. I will tell y'all, before Nana had her surgery, like 3 days before she had her surgery, she tried the Born Pretty. She came to me. She said, oh my God, this is the most amazing stuff ever. You know, not like screw Madam Glam, but like this is her jam now, right? So now I have to like stock up on like 4 bottles of the Born Pretties gel polish remover. It's not super thick, as y'all can see. Now again, this is a brand new bottle. Perhaps this product thickens up as it just sits in the bottle. We don't know yet. We don't know. I do know, however, that Madam Glam's version of, as with everything with Madam Glam in a bottle, the brush just puffs up and it just gets big and it gets a little bit sort of hard to maneuver, a little bit hard to use. We are using a brand new bottle of the Born Pretty stuff. Maybe that brush will also puff up. We don't really know. So what I have done is I have painted a 2 pop sticks with a red gel polish. I did not use a top coat, so I did not have to file off that the top coat. But here's what's about to happen. Y'all, this is nuts. A bit more. Oh my God. Okay.
Oh my God. Okay.
Holy shit balls. That exploded. Some of it's on my shirt. It flew all the way over here. My shirt. What the hell? Okay. Okay. Oh, get off of me, you alien thing. Shit. All right. So I kept this footage in. Number one, it's freaking hilarious. But number two, I wanted to let y'all know that I have ditched the plastic pop sticks. It's just too hard, I guess, too difficult to show y'all how I melt down the product with these gel polish removers and then try to scrape them off of a plastic pop stick. So I've switched over to my natural thumbnail, but of course I want to buff off the top layer, which is like, in most cases, a shiny top coat, a matte top coat, something like that. You just want the product to be able to sort of get down into the nitty gritty, honey, and start melting off this product. So here I am applying, sorry, I have like a runny nose or something. Here I am applying the Born Pretty gel polish remover to basically just the gel color, right? Like there's no top coat, nothing like that. I'm just gonna let it sort of seep in. And I have never done like, or maybe not, maybe I shouldn't say never. Maybe I have, I don't remember. But you're about to see like a time lapse, right, of this product going to work. So here I am. I'm just over here in the background watching Frasier, right? Because I love me some Frasier and some Golden Girls and some Schitt's Creek. But on this particular night, I was watching Frasier. So I'm just over here watching my television box, and letting this product do its thing. Let it go to work. That's fine. It's just going to sort of eat through. I know that sounds terrible, but it does really eat through the product, and it sort of does really melt through the product. Now, one thing I will say is you will feel this. And I don't mean that to say, oh, it's going to burn. Of course it does not. It's not dangerous. What I mean by when I say you're going to feel this, the gel polish remover, whatever the hell it's doing to the gel polish itself, it makes the gel polish feel really tight. So you're going to feel on your natural, because again, this is my natural nail bed, you're going to feel it sort of tighten up. It does not hurt. It is not dangerous, okay? It is not dangerous, girl. Just put it on. Just let it do its thing. If you need more, go ahead. Put a little bit more on. Look at this. It's finally starting to peel away. Now I'm going to use my little metal rectangular. No, that's not rectangular. That's a triangular. That is a triangular thing, honey. I freaking love this. What's it called? Like I don't know how they market it. A gel pusher. I don't know, like a gel polish pusher. But look at it. It's amazing. It's just sharp enough to get under that product. You're not scraping off, the top layer of your natural nail bed, whatever. If you do wear nail extensions, gel extensions, what have yous, you may not feel that at all. Like, go ahead, dig in, whatever. Do not do anything that's going to hurt, that's going to make you feel any pain, that's going to make you feel any pressure. Don't do that. Just scrape. Just very gently scrape. And if you feel like, oh, maybe I missed, some of this product, or maybe I didn't get the gel polish remover product itself on thick enough, add some more. Wait another 4 or 5 minutes. This product is amazing for people who do not use an e-file, who aren't, I don't know, what's the word? They're just not comfortable using one. Use a product like this. If you're okay with waiting, 10, 15 minutes for all your freaking product to sort of melt off and scrape off, do it. Use this. And then once you've scraped off enough, go ahead. You can see, look at this right here. I had some leftover rubber base gel. I added some more product. It's fine. Let it soak in, let it do its thing. You can scrape it off. It's pain-free, y'all. It's pain-free. Now, don't get it on your skin like purposefully. Don't do it. If you do, it's not going to kill you, all right? But I just don't recommend, keep the product on the product. You know what I'm saying? Keep the gel polish remover product on the product that you're trying to remove. So you can see I have melted off with this product, an entire sort of chunk, I guess, of an old builder gel. Once you get all that product off, you can take some alcohol with a lint-free wipe everything off. If you still have some leftover product, gently file with your 240 grit file. Make it very, very, very gentle. And then again, wipe off all of your excess dust, all of your excess product. Once it's all gone, you are going to need some cuticle oil, honey. So definitely treat that nail bed, treat your skin, just treat yourself, honey. So here it is, the Magic Gel Remover from Born Pretty. I'm here to tell y'all this is Nana's new favorite. By the way, I did go over this naked nail with the 06. If you stuck around till the very last second of this video, drop a heart. Let Nana know that you're thinking about her. We will see y'all in our next video. Bye.